Yesterday was the vernal equinox. That means spring! Woohoo! I'm Robin, this is Sonia, and we are Bolly Moms on the go. Yes.
It's spring.
We're talking about spring. It's spring.
I'm smiling more. Like I can hear the birds chirping. I can see the little flowers growing. Like
the sun is out.
Everything is like reviving, surviving, not reviving. How you say it in English?
Refreshing, new.
Yeah. Life is coming back.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So here in Calgary, in Alberta, and in Canada, for those of you that are far away, spring isn't always in March, but this year we have our fingers crossed that we're going to have a nice long spring before summer comes.
Yes.
And because last year we didn't get that really. Yeah. So we are excited for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think there is a part of us when we see spring coming after the winter, wherever you go, wherever you are, almost. That winter is like tough, like it's like there is less light, there is maybe it's even colder, like there is a lot of things where it's very slow.
Yeah.
And when you feel spring coming, it's like you're finding your energy level like starting to like pump up.
People do spring cleaning.
Yes, you feel fresh. So we wonder, what do you do for spring? Like,
what do you guys do? Yeah.
What do you enjoy doing for spring?
I love to get outside. You know, I'm not a super outdoorsy person by nature, but I do love being outside. I'm a city girl for sure, but going for nice walks and just enjoying the sun. And it's not my favorite season because of my allergies, but other than that, I do love it. I love the bright sun and the blue sky, and that makes me so happy. And I'm a person that drives with my car windows all the way down. Yeah, that's what I do. What do you do?
What do I do? Yeah, the same. I like to connect with nature and observe what's happening, see more animals coming back, and the trees changing. Like I love seeing that and witnessing that. More sun. Also here we have a lot of sun in Calgary.
Yeah, we're so lucky.
But it's warmer, so yeah, you can enjoy more walk. And I always feel like I need to like change a few things in the house too. Like, okay, let's refresh, let's clear, let's declutter.
My mom used to do that every year. She would, oh my gosh, it was like torture for us kids because she would just decide that the whole house was going to be flipped upside down, and so we would all be living in that. But so I think a lot of people do that.
Yeah, decluttering, and then little part by little part, but just like you feel like you want to layer your house.
Yeah.
And feels better. And then I don't know, it's like more energy for me.
Yeah.
Like I feel a little bit more energy.
Yeah.
Like winter is like low-key, but like spring, because you witness so many things
to revive,
and they're like okay, let's do it.
Yeah. And those of you that know me really well know that I love to be barefoot. So in the spring, I get to wear the flip-flops.
Already?
Depends if there's no snow. If there's no snow. Yeah, it depends on the year. Last year, no,
it didn't happen.
But this year I think it's going to happen.
Nice. Yeah. Spring is nice. I like spring.
Yeah, I like spring too. So you guys, I'm just curious what you do at spring and what kinds of things you do. In Calgary, we're actually really lucky because we're really close to the mountains too. So I know a lot of you really like to hike and do stuff like that. Biking.
Oh yeah.
Skateboarding. My kids bought me a longboard a couple years ago.
Yes.
So, because they all skateboard, my husband and both my boys skateboard. So I was like left out of the group, and so they bought me a longboard, which I was terrified of at first, but now I love it. Rollerblading. What else? Hopefully the gravel trucks come out and clean up all the gravel.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
biking. Yeah, biking.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you do for spring?
What do you guys do?
Share, just share your spring feeling, emotions, whatever state you are. Like, I want to feel springy.
Yeah, we need some ideas because, we want to feel it. We want to feel that revive. And then I want to encourage you guys as sort of an end note to think about reviving your fitness goals too, right? Because, people think of January as the time to do that. No, I say March.
That's good. Yeah,
let's do it,
Revive and feel your body. And
maybe you started in January and it's starting to go down a little bit. No.
Reboost it.
Yeah, reboost. Yeah. Fresh fruit.
Oh yeah, the fruits.
Oh, the food.
More fruits available.
For
fruits and veggies. Yeah.
Yeah, we like
That's
fruits
nice.
and veggies, you guys. Big surprise. All right, you guys. So please tell us below because we want to know, and we also want to put together maybe a spring event. So what would be interesting to you? What kind of stuff do you want to see? We could dance again. We don't mind, but maybe you want to do something else.
Yes. Share your ideas.
Yes. Bye, you guys.